Hey everyone, welcome back to LevelUP Gamers, your go-to channel for everything game development. If you're excited to start your journey in game dev, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Unity Hub and set up the Unity editor step by step, perfect for beginners in 2025. So, if you want to make your own games using Unity, let's get right into it. First, let's talk about Unity Hub. It's the central place where you manage all your Unity projects, install different versions of the Unity game engine, and add support for different platforms like Android or WebGL. Think of Unity Hub as the control center for your entire game development workflow. Head over to unity.com/download and download the latest version of Unity Hub. Make sure you choose the version for your operating system, Windows or macOS. Once the download is complete, go ahead and install it just like any other software. Now, open Unity Hub and click on the Install Editor button. For beginners, I highly recommend choosing the LTS version. That's the long-term support version. It's stable, reliable, and perfect if you're just starting out. This version is widely used in the game development industry, so it's great for building up real-world skills. During installation, Unity will give you the option to add modules like Android build support, WebGL, and iOS support. If you're planning to make mobile or web games, go ahead and check those. Don't worry if you skip them now. You can always add them later. Once Unity Editor is installed, it's time to create your first project. Click on New Project. Choose either 2D or 3D based on what type of game you want to build. Give it a name and hit Create. You'll be taken into the Unity Editor, where all the magic of game development begins. Here's a quick overview of the Unity interface, the scene. View lets you design your game world. The game view shows what the player will see. The hierarchy holds all your game objects. The inspector shows properties for whatever you select, and the project window stores all your assets. Take your time exploring. This is your creative playground. Now that Unity is installed and your project is set up, you're ready to start building your first game. In the next video, I'll show you how to create your first game scene in Unity. No coding required. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to LevelUp Gamers, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for watching. Now go start your game dev journey with confidence. See you in the next one.